Welcome to Rick Snider's Washington, and welcome to the madness. That's right, NCAA tournament starts this week on Friday, not Thursday. A little bit different schedule because of the pandemic. It's to deal with coronavirus testing and replacing teams if they turn positive. So a little bit later of a start than normal. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, going to be the first 2 week schedule. And of course, those Maryland Terrapins and Georgetown Hoyas are both going to be in the tournament. And you got to give the Hoyas credit. Kind of a lackluster year. It's been kind of a lackluster few years under Patrick Ewing, but man, they came to play in the Big East tournament. Terrific job. Nobody expected them to win it, and they played just great defense. And the Terps, well, they didn't win the Big Ten tournament. They went out in the first round to a pretty good Michigan team, but they showed a lot of scrappiness, that's for sure, including the coaches. So I think Maryland and Georgetown, they have chances to go a round or two. I think that's about it. And I'll tell you what, on Friday, I'm going to do more of a bracket so that you can lose money on my picks. But I think both teams have a chance to do something. I don't think they're one and dones. You know, it's been impressive for both teams down the end mostly. I mean, Terps kind of blew one there at the end, but that's just what they do. All right. Turning ahead, I was driving downtown, getting near the Capitol, 3rd Street on Independence. There's this huge fence been there for 2 months, and they talked about, oh, we're going to take it down. Oh, we're not sure what we're going to do. Listen, man, it looks like a third world country around here. You don't block off major streets blocks from the Capitol Dome. I get your security, but you had your chance and you blew it way back. Don't turn this into an armed fortress. Time to take down the Capitol Hill fence. It's time to take down the one on the exterior of the White House perimeter. We live in this city. We're not prisoners. So let's get it done. You got a lot of money to spend on security. Do your jobs. All right. That's it for today, because where's my thing? Oh, here it is right here. Wow, that's really not going well at all. Okay. Anyway, got to go. I'm Rick Snider. Thanks for your 2 minutes. I'll see you tomorrow.